What's up my dreamers? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Farrahdreamz coming live from the 919. Today I'm doing a very special curly hair routine because I'm actually going to be teaming up with DevaCurl to give away a special holiday kit. You guys might have a chance to win some of the products that I am going to be using today, so stay tuned till the end of the video to find out how you can enter to win. And if you want to see what my updated curly hair routine is, just keep watching. So I just got out of the shower and my hair is still like soaking wet. This is key to all of my curly hair routines. I always have to have soaking wet hair. So the first product I'm going to be using is the styling cream by DevaCurl. I just put 2 pumps, rub it all together, and I distribute it throughout my hair. Now I know that in my previous videos I said that I don't comb through my hair, but recently I have been combing through my hair with the product, you know, just raking it through with my fingers. It distributed the product so much better only because my hair is soaking wet. If my hair was like dry, it wouldn't work. And then I flip it over and I apply one more pump. And then I just scrunch it up. And I make sure I get some in the roots. So now I take the Ultra Defining Gel and I just put a little bit in my hands and then evenly distribute it. And then I don't rake as much with the gel. I like to just smooth it on. Then flip it, get the back. And now I begin to scrunch. And last but not least, I take my microfiber towel and then I squeeze out the excess water by scrunching it. And then I have to stand up for this part to make sure I scrunch all the way to the root. And now the key to my curly hair routine is that I have been air drying. So I might just diffuse it for like 1 minute or 2 minutes, but for the most part, I air dry it by just going to work with my hair wet, and then throughout the day, since I walk around a lot, it will be completely dry, and then it gives my curls more definition and less frizz. So I've really been liking this look. So basically I'm just gonna go to work right now and then I will come back to show you guys the final results. What's up guys? I'm back and it feels so good to be home, but can we just take a moment to appreciate the result of my curly hair routine? Like, come on, let me know in the comments what you all think about it. Don't y'all see a huge difference between this routine and all my other routines? I really feel like air drying is the move now because I don't know, like I just love how tamed the curls are, but it's still big and voluminous. It's like everything I ever wanted. So let me just do a 360 for y'all. Alright, so you want to know how to enter the giveaway, huh? So let me tell you how to enter my giveaway. So I am teaming up with DevaCurl to bring you guys a special giveaway. This is going to be a holiday kit for your curls, whether you have wavy hair, curly hair, or extremely curly hair. we have the perfect kit for you. So the winner of this giveaway gets to choose which kit they want, and in the kit you're gonna have the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, styling cream, and a gel. So it is an amazing giveaway. I actually have one of my own, and you guys are gonna enjoy it so much, so good luck to you all. So the rules for the giveaway are: 1, you must be following me on Instagram. 2, I want you to go on my YouTube channel and find your favorite video of mine, screenshot it, record it, whatever you want, but post it on your story or on your Instagram feed and tag me. And if you're private, just send me a message with a screenshot that you did it. But for the most part, your page has to be public for me to see it right away. And then the third rule for the giveaway is I'm gonna be posting this video on my Instagram feed, so I want you to comment on that video that you're done and that you followed all the rules for the giveaway, so that I'll easily be able to pick a winner from that Instagram post. You must be a US resident in order to receive the giveaway, so the giveaway can only be shipped in the United States of America. So I'm sorry this isn't international, but I will definitely be doing international giveaways in the future. But for now, those are the 3 steps. So just follow me on Instagram, post your favorite video of mine on your Instagram, tag me, and bam, you are set, my friend. You are set. Y'all, we just hit 1 million views. 1 million views. Like, yeah, I gotta repeat that a few times because I still can't grasp it. I'm shook. I'm so grateful. I can't believe it. And I'm just shooting for the stars because we will reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I just know it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. If you want to get notifications when I post, you should turn on that notification bell. It's right next to the subscribe button. That way you'll never miss out on a new video. And yeah, so good luck to everyone entering the giveaway. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.